Hi guys, today I'm going to do this. Yeah, I bought this mask when I was still little. I was still little. And I wanted to say that my mask is kind of, I don't know,
Jika Sabiru Saksayan Suku, PYLAAM, ang labing pinamulog-pinahod ng Radio News Organization sa Suku, sakot sa kapitanan ng mga broadcaster man Pilipinas.
you don't even know that.
Madali lang yan. Pumunta lang sa website ng PhilHealth para makita ang iyong membership at contribution record, kahit ang iyong laptop, tablet, cellphone, at kung self-pay membership naman, pwede ka pang magbayad ng contribution ko doon. Kaya mag-register na sa PhilHealth Member Portal at iyong PhilHealth identification number. Tumagin lang sa www.philhealth.gov.ph.
Okay, let's see about that. When I get more likes, maybe I don't get more beautiful and I even get really upset about it. Jonathan, thank you for giving my mention. I don't even know your name again, but maybe your name is Jonathan? I know your name. Your name is Jonathan, right? Anyways, I hate wearing masks. It's kind of making me so bad, like just like that. I can't even breathe too much. Like that, and it takes this mask long as look. Just from the details from Safari, the zoo safari. It's kind of far away. I don't know where it is, but you can go to Angelo's because it's at Mingla, and yeah, and it's my style. Angelo is from Mingla, right, Kitty? Yeah.